Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy V, back at it with another video, and in today's video we'll be reviewing the Air Jordan Futures in the black and white colorway. Starting off this review, I just want to give a quick shout out to Finish Line for hooking your boy up with these for a very decent price. I know these goes for around, I believe, $200 on the Nike website, but I was able to cop it for under retail, so shout out to Finish Line. Y'all know what y'all doing. The overall look at these shoes, these are dope ass shoes, like the colorway, the finish, everything, they're just so dope. But yeah, it has a 3M finish on the top, as well as the Jordan 11 midsole and outsole, as well as the iconic dummy finish on the bottom. But what makes these shoes pop is these little gold details all around the shoe. For example, you have the gold lace tips, the gold Jobman logo on your tongue, as well as some gold sparkles all around the bottom, which makes these shoes pop with the sunlight. But yeah, these shoes also are, I believe, the most comfortable shoes ever. I could wear these for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours, and it's just not gonna bother me at all. The fit is the true size, but I believe they're 0.5 bigger. So if you're 8, for example, you should get a 7.5, a 7.5. It will fit you perfectly. Trust me, believe me on that. But yeah, I think that's it for the review. Let's just jump right into the on-play.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah, she said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that color DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Body get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low.
I just jumped up in that jet, reach more woods, not no 6. Lil Uzi and high demand, yeah, these verses worth the brick. And she know that I got hoes, but she still gon' suck my dick. All these diamonds on my neck, got the flu, bitch, I'm sick. This is a friend from Koala. My niggas scammers and robbers, everything hit like the Dodgers.